two Spartans in a truck.
A fucking grown man.
It could be like a reality show, two Spartans in a truck.
Yeah.
Drive the car, motherfucker! Drive the car right now! Go! Go!
Okay, let me start the car.
My door's open, hold on! Drive the car, motherfucker!
You do a take where you go.
You should say, babe, but your door's open.
Oh, bang, bang! I should. Okay. And also, I always say attackers aren't likely to put their seatbelt on for safety.
Wait, I didn't put my seatbelt on. That was good. Oh, wait, let me put my seatbelt on. Drive it!
Can you open the door?
No! The fuck away! I don't want to open the door, motherfucker! Too bad, bitch! The door's locked! The fuck out! Get the fuck out! No! The fuck lost!
Shit! Where did it go?
We can run the road.